Hi, I'm Ms. Carol from the Broadhead Public Library. Our theme for this summer is Tails and Tales. So it's been fun drawing a different animal each week. This week, our animal is one of the longest snakes in the world, a python. It can grow to be 32 feet long, which is almost as long as a bus. I didn't have paper that long, but I'll try to put the python on this paper. Let's begin by drawing the head. The head's very small compared to this large body. There's his nose. And I wanted to add eyes, of course, so I'm drawing a circle, and then I'm adding two curved lines to give it a snake eye look. And it's interesting about the eyes. Python's eyes are different colors. Yes, they can be black, they can be brown, they can be green, orange, even red. So now for the mouth. Actually, the mouth is a long curved line close to the bottom of the face. And then don't forget the tongue. It's very different from our tongue. Pythons have a forked tongue that helps them sense things through the air. So, next is the body. Oh my goodness. The python's body is very long, it's thick, it's winding. So I'm going to draw some S's. Here's my first S. And another S. And another S. Till we get down to the tail. Then we'll do the other side. There we go. So I want to add the details to the python's body. Pythons use camouflage to hide. So most pythons have patterns, and the patterns might be brown or yellow or white, gray or black. So the patterns might look like spots or splotches. Continue to make your splotches throughout the snake's body. This will help them look like the ground around them. So we're going to draw lots of spots and splotches all along the body. Now, when you're finished with the spots, think about coloring your python. So depending on the habitat and the environment, pythons can be all sorts of colors. Some are tan or brown, others are yellow, and some are even blue and green. So the green pythons, they live in the trees and they blend in with the leaves. So pick some colors for your python. And then I wanted to add some scales to our python. So I'm going to use my Lego board and I'm going to just tuck it behind my paper like this. And I'm going to take my brown crayon and I'm going to rub across the Lego board. You enjoyed drawing an amazing python. I'll close with a poem about some of our favorite animals. Join me, please. See you later, alligator. After a while, crocodile. See you soon, baboon. Bye-bye, butterfly. Take care, polar bear. So long, King Kong. Stay sweet, parakeet. Give a hug, ladybug.